Welcome to AndroIndian, your channel for insights on project management, product strategy, and technology leadership. Today, we're diving into a critical intersection: how product management and project management work together within the product life cycle. While projects are designed to deliver specific outputs, products are built to deliver long-term value to the organization.
But how exactly do these two disciplines synchronize to ensure strategic success? Let's find out.
Modern organizations run projects, programs, portfolios, and products simultaneously. Understanding how these disciplines connect is essential for achieving the broader business goals. Product management is the discipline responsible for guiding a product from its initial concept all the way to its eventual retirement. It covers the entire journey. It integrates people, processes, technology, and business strategy to create meaningful solutions. Every product moves through a life cycle with 4 major stages that define its growth and evolution. These stages help organizations plan their projects and investments more effectively over time. In the introduction phase, the focus is on research, development, and launching the MVP. Growth is where the product gains market traction and requires rapid scaling through agile projects. Maturity focus shifts to optimization, maintenance, and maximizing the return on investment. Finally, in the decline stage, we decide whether to pivot, replace, or retire the product gracefully. Project management is the engine that drives a product through these life cycle stages. Projects are initiated at various points in the product life cycle to add features or improve performance. Tools like the work breakdown structure help us manage the complexity of these individual projects. Whether using agile or waterfall frameworks, the goal is always consistent value delivery. Today, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how we track and manage these product life cycles. Systems like VTS provide real-time data that informs product decisions and project planning. Governance and accountability ensure that every project stays aligned with the product's vision. Following established frameworks like the PMP helps maintain high standards of professional excellence. Value engineering allows us to optimize the product's performance while reducing unnecessary costs. In dynamic tech hubs like Hyderabad, staying agile is the key to thriving in the market. As technology evolves, the integration of project and product management will only become more vital. From infrastructure projects to software products, the principles remain the same.
If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.
Visit AndroIndian.com for more deep dives into strategy and project leadership. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.